Crews did make some progress overnight on the Paddock fire burning north of Emmett. The fire has burned more than 187,000 acres. It is now 5% contained. The incident command team held a meeting yesterday to update the community about the firefighting efforts.
The other night we thought we were doing pretty good with the lines. We had a wind come out of the north and push this fire in 3 different directions. And that's why we do not have much containment yet on it. We're still working to catch up some of these areas, in particular these ones that are in very steep terrain that have some retardant line on them, but not necessarily a lot of hand lines.
Evacuation notices do remain in place for parts of Gem, Payette, and Washington counties. The Gem County Sheriff's Office says they've been going door to door to alert residents who need to evacuate immediately, while BLM says everyone in the area should be on alert just in case. Meanwhile, the snag fire burning near Lake Cascade keeps growing. It grew from more than 6,000 acres last night to more than 10,000 acres today. None of that fire is contained yet. Traffic on Warm Lake Highway east of Scott Valley is closed, but residents are allowed one-time access into the Warm Lake area to retrieve personal things. Westbound traffic to Cascade along the Warm Lake Highway is open. All closure and evacuation level orders still in effect. Meanwhile, crews are also making progress on the Wolf Creek fire burning 5 miles south of Donnelly. So far, it has scorched roughly 1,100 acres. The fire was started by lightning. It is now 49% contained. That's up from 46% reported yesterday. Officials have reduced evacuation orders in the area to reflect the lower fire danger. The Lime Point fire burning along the Snake River in Hells Canyon area grew overnight. It grew from around 28,000 acres to about 30,000. The Adams County Sheriff's Office previously issued level 3 evacuation orders for Bear and Cuprum. On Thursday, they lowered that to a level 2 around Bear, allowing people to return home. On Friday evening, evacuation levels were lowered for people living in Cuprum as well. A wildfire broke out in Payette County today, but was quickly contained. The Parma Fire District says the Elmore fire sparked around 1 o'clock this afternoon and grew to about 50 acres near Elmore Road and Pearl Road. Crews were able to get it contained by about 5 o'clock this evening. No word on what caused the fire, but Sand Hollow Fire District is asking everyone to make good choices when you're outside.